We're doing Boozled, and my contestants are Miss James.
Hello.
Ezekiel.
Hello.
Henry.
Sup?
Mr. James.
Sup?
And anyways, and that's all I have to say.
Alright, let's get started.
What about the rules?
Oh yeah, the rules.
Whoever give up, they gotta take one of each.
All at once.
And y'all just totally keep it in their hand.
No, in your mouth.
I'm gonna get that.
Swallow it.
I'm gonna get boo.
Okay.
Oh yeah, we have to swallow them. Can't spit them out. Was that it?
I think so.
Alright,
You the luckiest
go
one.
first.
Oldest to youngest?
Oldest.
I'm gonna get boo.
Or youngest to oldest?
Youngest.
Youngest to oldest. Youngest to oldest. Go on, Ezekiel.
Spin.
There you go. Hold on.
Oh, he got blue.
Oh, no way.
Which one?
This
That's
boy got blue.
7. Get
No
one.
way.
Get one.
Ain't no way he got the luckiest one, bro. First try, lucky. Oh, yeah.
You good?
Wait, what? Which one's living in the middle?
It's mostly on the. I say it's mostly on the mostly on the black.
It's on
I don't want
it's mostly on the black.
Yeah, so you get
Yeah. So stink bug and toasted
We
marshmallow.
already
That's
starting on it. Lord.
I got two. No more.
I would have thrown it out of my mouth.
come on, you
You know, you gotta chew it up.
That look at that steak, boy. That thing is
I listen, man. I'll take it.
nasty.
horrible.
Straight horrible.
I'm gonna
I gotta wait
get
till
some
you
more boo.
Nasty.
But I can get some more boo.
When your turn.
Smell! God damn! I can smell that junk. Ooh, I need a gas mask.
Mama, I'm gonna do it.
So glad I didn't get that one.
Oh,
Y'all eat that up.
of course I get.
Ooh! God.
I get 3. Then I get
Well,
bar.
I don't want. What?
Man, he a champ. He sitting over here chewing it up like he
Yeah. How did you get me back on this game?
I don't know. I don't even know how I got back on it.
I got barf.
Oh. Go ahead, get it.
I already got it.
Oh. Sorry. Go.
Hey, I can't.
Ooh. Now if
Now,
you quit, you gotta get one to eat.
yeah.
Y'all,
Oh,
I don't want this is trauma.
There you go.
What that thing called?
Drama.
Trauma.
No,
I'm trauma from the last one.
I
I know.
Come on now.
I don't want it right here. My arm is.
Okay, go ahead.
Please be so good.
You actually got on stink
No.
bug.
Stink bug.
Yeah, mine.
Yeah, that's stink bug.
No, that's
It's also on black.
mostly on
No, that
red.
ain't. No, that ain't. Look. Don't move it now.
You need mine. You need
It's mostly on
That's
bug.
mostly on the stink bug.
Mostly
No,
on-
it's not.
Yes, it is.
It's not.
She tried to talk her way
Look,
out.
I'm about to move it.
You
Look.
too. Look at this.
They can't
They
see it.
trying to trick me.
No, she's trying to talk her way out.
No.
Look, let me watch. Don't touch it. Watch this.
Stink.
If you
Nasty.
move a little bit, you see that?
No.
It was right
No.
there.
No. Spin again. No.
You trying to cheat?
Now you gonna move it. I showed
Cause you told
two.
me.
We gonna go back and look at where it was. It was not on stink
They
bug.
ain't gonna see it.
I
You can't
do
see
it.
it on the camera.
It's my turn, baby. Hold on.
Alright, spin it. She cheated her way out.
Nah, y'all trying to cheat me.
Mostly you're
Now
like,
what that on?
yeah. Go.
Stink. Stink yourself.
What that on?
No.
I did not need your help.
I told you gotta do blue right here.
Mostly on the bar. And
No, that's stink boo. I mean, stinky
What that on?
sticky salt is number 5.
Y'all trying to get me, man. Stinky sauce is nasty too.
Alright.
My turn.
No, that's good. That.
They can't see it either.
No.
Goodness gracious, man. How did you get me on this game? Ugh, something just stayed.
But that bar
That stink bug.
Man.
That bar's
I
nasty.
ain't know what I was dealing with when you ate.
Oh my god.
Lemon.
You want to taste
Chop
it?
chop.
No, come on.
You can
Chop,
bite
chop.
it. You want to bite it?
Nah, you won't bite. Chop chop.
Come on.
How's that? Tastes pretty good. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh.
She probably got tutti frutti.
That what you got? My
Probably.
turn. My turn, Z.
You got 8.
How come it's like literally 8?
Shake it up a little bit, man.
Hard to smell.
Golly.
Go over there. Don't play.
Oh God!
Go. That stuff is nasty.
I smell that breeze.
Go see.
Alright, time.
See what happened? You talk here.
No, spin it.
We'll pango.
Let me your hand. What you get? You get
He got blue.
I need to blue.
He got blue.
No, he didn't.
He did get blue.
No, I seen it on I seen it on this.
Most of it was on blue. Y'all ain't getting no toothpaste. I know y'all like to eat toothpaste. Y'all ain't getting none.
See, you trying to make her baby get all the good ones.
He got toothpaste. He got toothpaste. He got
We got 3.
Oh my god.
Look, this 3. A bar for nasty. Yeah, see.
Yeah, you gonna be
He
like
got
that for a
peach.
minute.
Yeah.
Alright, I thought I was playing. That's some mess. You gotta sing behind you. Ew, what you
I
got?
got 6.
Just stop talking.
Somebody stir it up for me. Somebody stir it up for me.
What is
But
that?
what's it?
I can't see it. What is it?
We dropping these beats.
You gonna wipe that off. You got old band-aid?
Yeah, come on, put it in my pouch.
That's another nasty one.
Oh my god.
That's slack.
Oh my god.
Yeah, be so here, eat band-aids.
Oh!
How does it taste? Does it taste
Tastes
like,
pretty good.
taste like band-aids?
No, it's just like, how y'all get this?
Somebody would eat band-aids. Somebody would eat band-aids. They came up with that taste.
Alright.
Who's take a butt? Who turned it?
Go.
Go, Zeke, go.
Nah, she'll go. Nah, you go see. No, I go.
I don't want to go. Go, man.
Nah, come on now. There we go.
I need blue. That's a red birthday. That's a birthday cake.
Dirty
Actually,
dishes.
that is
Make sure all of it red. Oh, I thought you said it was red.
Yeah, it's dirty dishes.
Birthday cake. Birthday cake. Birthday cake. Birthday. Come on, baby.
Dirty dishes. Dirty dishes. Dirty dishes. Dirty dishes.
You not on my side?
Here already.
Wanna taste it? Wanna buy a little pinch of it?
I'm trying to get him to eat it. Oh, God, boy.
Oh, dang.
Oh!
Yeah, did I say
You got, baby? Tastes like soap.
like soap.
Tastes like dirty soap.
Don't never do this.
Okay.
Nasty.
Tastes like that dishwater that been sitting in the sink for a day.
Yeah, it does. Who tastes this soap to know how jelly bean should taste?
Mm.
I can
True
smell that
God.
junk. Ooh-wee.
What's that?
That's
Nothing
Peach.
blue.
Oh, what now?
Peach or barf.
What number is that?
Peach or barf 3.
Oh, you ready for your time?
I really don't care. You should have did oldest or youngest. I mean, it's equal to go
we did it
last.
right. We did that right.
Barf or peach.
He don't even know.
Yeah, that would mean like first. Wait,
Must be peach. Gotta be peach.
yeah, I got to cause barf. Oh my god,
It's nasty.
I think that mixed with that stink bug.
bro, that old Band-Aid.
Got
Isn't it not Ezekiel's turn? Oh yeah.
Go baby.
So it go.
Go baby. Go baby. Go. Go baby. Go baby. Go. Go baby. Go baby. Go.
Oh my god.
Go. Go baby. Go baby.
He got dirty soap. He got sneaky shot. He got sneaky shot.
Where your finger?
He got number 5.
Hold on. His fang keep getting in the way. There you go. That's a good spin. What you got?
He got.
No,
Band-Aid. He got-
Y'all better not do my baby like that.
Nah, here, Ezekiel. You gotta get down.
I can move.
Oh, you gotta get this
No,
one.
I can move.
All right, spin one more time.
Spin one time. If you spin, you got the same thing.
That one's okay. You want to try that one?
No,
Let's try that one.
no, what's I did?
There you go. He got blue.
Cheating. It's only 4. It's only 3 left now.
What's that one? What is it? Look at the camera.
Straight up.
What is it? Tell them what it is. Which one that one is?
You trying to cheat? What do you got? Old Band-Aid.
Band-Aid. That's 6. Liam, old Band-Aid.
Good.
Good. No, I like nasty.
I look like
You smell like toothpaste.
I
You toothpaste.
How's that?
I can smell old Band-Aid. That's
Tastes pretty good? You don't know if it tastes good or nasty?
Yeah.
It's nasty.
Oh, Band-Aid. Oh, there you go.
Smell like
That's
toothpaste.
I inhaled all of that stuff in my throat. Nasty. You got it?
You done? That dish.
I feel bad for you though. You got stink bug
It ain't
first
that
try.
that Band-Aid. That dish.
He got stink bug first try.
I'm gonna go to Cali. Like I'm going to Cali.
In a little while.
Cabinet.
No,
Okay.
tell me.
You got he got stink bug. Yep.
That's
That's
on
more on the
old Band-Aid. Yeah.
No second way. You gotta wait.
Yeah, that's on old
Wait till
Band-Aid.
he's done,
I
okay?
wanna go to
You
Cali.
is on the camera.
Yeah.
We're gonna look at it in a little while, okay?
It tastes weird.
Mm.
The old Band-Aid.
What did he taste? That ain't
Yeah, you're old Band-Aid.
No, he
Yeah,
ain't.
it is.
Uh-huh.
You see the line? You can see the line under the
Y'all
arm.
is cheating.
You can see
Oh, I
the
got this one.
Yeah.
That's
Nah,
good.
y'all cheating.
Hungry?
Cause when mine was red day, y'all called talk saying.
Well, when yours right there, you
Nah.
spin again, didn't you?
Look, see, it's on more old Band-Aid. That's good. That one good.
Nah,
I
y'all cheated me.
like that one.
We cheated you when
Yeah.
you spin again.
To me, old Band-Aid tastes.
It's on you.
I know that.
Like,
Y'all keep. Thank you.
Oh, you said
Oh no, it's on red.
No, it ain't.
No,
It's mostly on red.
Don't touch it. It's mostly on.
No, it's not. It's mostly on red.
Oh shoot. It's mostly kind of on the butter popcorn.
Now
Nah,
you just moved it. Don't worry about it. Y'all stop cheating.
No, there you go.
Let me get that 8.
There you go. That was right on it.
Yep, I want
Go
it.
ahead.
Come on. Chop,
No,
chop.
no, you did it.
From now on, if y'all touch on somebody else's turn, y'all get to take the same one with them.
Okay, yeah.
Well, I'm not touching anything.
Come on.
Go ahead.
Oh, Ezekiel, you
Chop,
quitting?
chop. Oh, you want to quit? You want one each?
No.
Come on then.
I don't want none.
Come on.
I need to spin again.
Nah, you did spin again.
You did
You
spin.
spin again.
And it
That's
went
what
on.
you got.
Yep. It landed right on it. It ain't went no between.
That's the smallest one. That's all he wants to do is go look at himself.
Tell the camera how it tastes too.
You might have marshmallow.
You might
I
not.
don't care for marshmallows.
I'm watching y'all.
Eat it.
Come on now.
No, eat it.
I don't want it.
Go ahead now.
I don't want it.
You got to. You want to eat all of it?
Baby, if you love me,
No, come on. No, come on.
you eat this for me. You love me.
There you go.
It's your
Say
time.
I
ah.
don't want
Say
it.
ah.
You baby.
You see her?
Let me taste on your ear.
No. I don't want to hear it.
Let me taste
No.
on your ear, please.
Go ahead and eat that.
Come on,
You
mom.
don't want to hear what I
No,
gotta
I don't
say?
want to hear it.
Come on.
If I can eat it, then you can eat it.
This man had no reaction. Come on.
Man, I already taste what it is.
You gotta taste it again.
Man, I don't want it.
Come on, now you wasting
I
time.
want to sleep good tonight.
You gonna wash that off?
Cheating.
No, it fell out my hand. Man, you ain't gonna really let me eat off the floor.
Well, then get another one. Now that could have been them marshmallow. Now get another one in.
That's true, because that is whitish, so
It fell out my hand.
I just throw it in your mouth.
You can't smell it. You
I
gotta
know.
bite into it. The smell. You gotta kind of little bite and smell.
Just gotta throw it in your mouth and eat it.
Oh, God.
What you got?
Tell the camera. I can smell it. She got stink bug.
Yeah. God.
Got to be more careful. Go, mom. Right now, I should have did this. The moment you.
I got blue. Yeah, give me that.
Good.
Nah, that's
I
Ezekiel.
need that.
Nope.
I need that.
I need that too.
Oh God, girl.
So the moment she recognized she messed up. Oh no.
So do I go or?
You going, Ezekiel?
Here you go.
Go on.
All right.
Yeah.
Are you going?
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
we need it. It's only 2 more blue. The blue need to go.
Can you fix me something to drink?
No, you can't.
Oh,
I'm about to throw up.
You want one each?
You got blue.
I got
There you
blue.
go.
I got blue. I got
Well, we
blue.
only got 1 more blue, bro.
Ain't none of y'all need no blue.
I need blue.
Yeah.
I need blue.
Which one? You
Give me
got?
blue.
You
Just
got 2 packs.
give me blue. Lord, give me blue.
What you got?
I swear, give me blue.
He got dirty dishes. That's 9.
Dirty dishes that only taste like soap.
He got blueberry. I can smell it.
And
You
I
got birthday- you got birthday
blueberry.
cake, ain't
I got
it?
cup.
Please stop.
Yeah, you got toothpaste.
That's very
Hey,
good.
Nah, that's toothpaste.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
That smells stink bug.
Man, I
It's
could use
supposed to be on Fruity Tooty and stink salt.
that one.
Fruity Tooty, that's number 5. Come on. I'm gonna get the
I gotta let the air out so I won't taste it.
Why they got green spots?
Which one that is?
Fruity Tooty.
Or what? Stink salt?
Oh my god.
I got Tutti Fruity. I
Alright,
already
get
tasted
you
it.
another one for so you can get rid of that taste.
I already got Tutti Fruity. I tasted it. The best.
Give me booger.
And then she actually get one.
It's on Tutti Fruity. What you see?
Give me the number. Thank you, sweet. You were so nice. But I can't get it because they're not going to let me.
Get Stinky Socks.
How would somebody know how socks taste?
Put it in the blender.
You might go
Licked it.
You already ate yours?
Yeah, babe, go ahead.
No, it's in her hand. She thought she was slick with it.
Mm-hmm.
She had Stinky Socks. Stinky Socks.
No, I smell bubblegum.
That's mom. I love bubblegum too.
Oh, you got bubblegum? No, I probably smell yo because she ain't really chew on it. What you got? You don't know? Can't taste nothing?
Not that stink ball.
I got
You got blue
blue again.
again.
No.
Ain't no more.
I bit my eye.
Then why the fuck it blue?
You mom.
Mm-hmm.
If you get blue, you then got
What's that?
dead fish or
God.
yeah, the same. Dead fish or banana smoothie.
You gonna take that one for me too?
And they go eat that
Neither,
one.
I'm not going to eat that one.
That one, man. That
Yeah,
one.
how you know it nasty? You taste it?
It takes 7 out.
Oh, that fish.
7 out.
Oh, that fish. Oh, that fish.
I got smell it.
Oh, that fish.
Dead fish.
Oh, that
I can smell
Oh,
it.
fish. That fish. Oh.
How does it taste?
Oh!
How does it taste?
Mm-mm. Ah! Yeah. Ah! Mm. No.
No.
No what?
Ah!
How does it taste?
Come on. I need something. I need to get back to
He
mine.
said I'm done. He said he done. He
I
done.
don't want to
Mm.
play
You
it.
I
don't
must
want
say on Old
you don't want to
Baby.
play no more. You done.
6.
I'm about to quit.
Go ahead, baby. Eat them all.
I'd rather get that out the way.
They get 6. Come on.
This is torture.
That's what I'm saying, man.
Okay.
And for us to sit here and play it twice.
I mean, that's
Oh,
that's
wow.
how it get used to the flavor.
Nah, you can't get used to them flavors.
Number 6 is actually good though.
I'm like, if I get different onions.
Yeah.
Cappuccino.
Lucky you.
Come on, baby.
I don't even drink
I'm
coffee.
about to get out of here. I'm not lying.
No, damn it. Worse than the steak, bud. Which one worse?
Mama, tastes like fish.
Which one?
Mommy, hurry up and you can get some.
Come on, go, son,
Which
go.
one worse? Tell me how.
The fish is worse than the stank bug. The only thing with stank bug is the smell of it. It's just but that fish.
I'm fine with that. I'll take soapy water. I don't care. I would drink soapy water any day.
Ain't no way.
Am I going? No, I'm gonna give you one to each. I gotta get out of here.
What to eat? What's soap? What's it like soap? No!
I'm pretty sure I take one to each.
No, you gotta do that first. No, sir. When you do that, then you drink. Nah, we ain't doing that, homie. See, you should have took that from me, and I would have done you a favor.
Eat some of
That
it.
10, that look like 10 to me.
Oh, we're missing the blue.
Yeah, I'm blue in
How
that.
many that is? Well, then you get another one.
No, I said what's one each.
That's nah.
Then you get another one.
No, it's one each and one each.
He ain't got blue.
We ain't got no
Then you
blue.
get another one.
No. What's the worst one? It's a blue.
You might got all good flavors.
I hope so.
I want to
You
see.
can do it.
Say,
Show YouTube.
yeah, show you too.
There you go.
Only thing we had was blue. That good he was sick.
He's talking about you.
Oh man, YouTube, don't you can't stand when that happens? You like in the middle of the video and then a commercial pop up. Well, this ain't a commercial, but this is the end of this video. If you want to see the rest of this video, I'm gonna need for you to like, share, subscribe, and leave it in the comment section saying, "Stop playing, Mr. James. Release the video," and eventually we'll have it come out. But I want to make you guys an offer. Well, a challenge. The challenge is share, subscribe, like James Fam channel. If you help us get up to 500 subscribers, I'm willing to take the one chip challenge. Yep, you heard it. I am willing to take the one chip challenge if you guys help us get 500 subscribers. The only way you can do that is share, like, and subscribe. Now look, check this out. I got even a better offer. If you was to help us get to, say, 1,000 subscribers, I'm willing to do 2 at the same time. Yep, you heard me right. 2 at the same time. Can you do it? Now, this challenge does expire. Okay? We have to have at least 500 subscribers or 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. The end of 2021. If you can make that happen, I guess I'll have to keep my word. Now, again, like, share, subscribe. And if you really want to see the second part of this video, leave it in the comment section. Stop playing, Mr. James. Release the video. We'll make it happen. Till next time. Peace, YouTube. Love you guys.
Hey YouTube, what's up?
Hey, YouTube, what's up?
Sometime this week, we're going to do the one chip challenge. Make sure you tune in, like, share, subscribe to help the channel out, and goodbye. Hey YouTube, what's up?
Hey, YouTube, what's up?
Sometime